Hi and welcome in today's video. Maryam here, showing about how to live a more nourishing, energizing and prosperous life. As I am walking Anya, my baby, out of the shop, I thought I would make a little video. I've actually changed the phone, so hopefully this works better. Also, there's no actual hole to put a mic, so I hope the sound is okay. Anyways, I was gonna say something, talking about why I chew gums, okay, almost every day, actually every single day. And there's a reason to that. So for those who know me in terms of content creation for the past, which are 2021, so for the past 6 years, actually more now, maybe 7. Okay, for the past 7 years, let's say that. You know that I've been into fasting, and I shared about this a lot. I shared about this previously on another channel, Freedom Generation, and now on this one. And fasting has been a practice I've been doing for since 2002 the first time, and ongoing daily since 2012, right? Why? So chewing gums linked with fasting, you may wonder why. How is that anything to do with it? But the reason I share about it is because chewing gum actually helps you in the fasting process. Why? Because chewing gum is not just that. In your daily life, chewing gums releases through the action of chewing and sucking oxytocins, hormones of well-being, chemicals in your body that makes you feel better, and it's a lot easier to then perform anything in life, including fasting. Because when you fast, if you don't chew anymore, because the action of chewing, as I said, releases those hormones that makes you feel better. This is one of the reasons we do eat. If you don't eat so much anymore because you fast, then you don't have those hormones being released. So how do you get this feeling, and how do you get this level of well-being you had before through eating? Through doing other things. So other things could be working out. I highly recommend. Actually, I don't even know if it's possible to fast and stay in shape and look beautiful and not lose so much weight or look like you're gonna die if you don't exercise. No possibility. Same for meditation. I don't think it's possible to fast long term and look beautiful and in shape and healthy and be happy and healthy actually without meditation. So these are things that we, I believe, should do when we go into the path of prolonged fasting, being able to fast for a long time if we want so, or fast regularly in a healthy way, exercising, meditation, and at the same time find ways and things to do that allows you to keep this process of releasing those hormones of well-being and joy and fulfillment through whatever you do in life. Creation, very important. So a chewing gum is only a little tool, right? But it does work when you go for a walk, when you do stuff. It's just something small, just like babies. I'm saying that because I have my baby doing the same thing in front of me right now. Need to suck and like to suck because it releases these hormones and helps them to soothe them and to feel more at ease and more peaceful. It's the same for us. I was thinking about that when I was thinking, how don't we, if a dummy of a pacifier works so well to help them soothe themselves, why don't we do the same? Why don't we have a pacifier? And I was thinking about people who smoke, or people who actually eat or overeat, people who chew gum like me. That's the same thing, exactly the same thing. So it's not that bad as long as you know about it. And if you don't, it's not bad either. And just let's not be addicted to that, okay? But yeah. And the other thing is, if you do things in life that actually release this chemical, these oxytocins and endorphins and whatever your body needs to feel good, like for instance, for me it could be dancing, it could be video editing, it could be having a walk like I'm having right now with my baby, or I could be having a walk in nature, having some time with friends. But it has to be something linked with your body and also your mind, and it has to be part of a creative process as well for some of those activities and practices. Okay, I am done for this video. This is the reason why I chew gums. Endorphin, oxytocins, all those good things will help you a lot in your fasting journey, and not just that. will make you happy. You don't have to chew gums. Obviously, you can do anything else I've shared. Action, meditation, creativity, nature, people, socializing, all of these are the good stuff that you need to be healthy anyway, but especially living on energy, meaning being nourished by whatever you're doing in life, to the point that you don't need to eat so much and you don't need to take so much from the outside. What you already have inside of you right here. Okay, catch you up later. Bye now.